Hello, I'm Richard Sanaji and it feels super amazing to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Warriorplus. So in this video, we are going to learn how to properly optimize your profile, how to identify best-selling products on Warrior, and how to request for promotion for free. So I'm going to be showing you all this in this video. So I would like you to watch this video to the end so that you will learn and be in the best position on how to make money on Warriorplus. Amazing, right? But before we go into doing that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Use the superpower and subscribe right now so that when I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decisions that will help your financial growth. Now that you've done that, let's go make some money on Warriorplus. Let's get right into signing up your Warriorplus account and choosing the best products to promote in order to make money. So here, the first thing that you have to do, so this is the website warriorplus.com. It looks something like this, right? So I'm going to leave the link in the description section so that you can just go tap in this link and create your account right away and start making money, right? So that being said, so the website, it's let me just open a new tab here. So warriorplus.com. So this is the website, right? So this is the website, right? Just warriorplus.com, right? So hit sign up for free. So guys, hello guys, this thing that you have to know, this works majorly for all the countries. So irrespective of where you are, if you are in Asia, Nigeria, Dubai, Ghana, United Arab Emirates, anywhere you are, it works from all over the world, right? So you just create a username. So you see here, that's my username, password. So you just simply create a username and password, right? So and that's how you create your username, right? You create an account on Warriorplus. So what you do is you open your email, right, and quickly verify your account. So you come here, go to maze, just verify your account here. So guys, so it's pretty easy. Now the thing is so here you just click on this place here, click to complete your registration. So immediately you do that, it's going to redirect you to Warriorplus. Okay, so here remember, okay. So by the way guys, so you see the moment I come here, right, it automatically puts my password details. So there's an app I use for that, it's called LastPass. So you can also download that. Maybe if you need that guys, just comment in the section, in the comment section, so that you just keep tabs of all your password. If you want that, I can just drop that. So basically it's called LastPass, right? Okay, that being said, that's by the way though. So that being said, right, so you see we logged in, right? So for you to know the kind of product to promote, right, you go to affiliate, right, then you come to what offers. So here basically these are all the products that people like. These are all the digital products that you can sell, or you can promote and earn money. So basically, what kind of products do you promote? One, now let the product that have over 1,500, you should be looking out for products that have over 1,500 sales, you understand, and above. Why is such products? Now these products, that those kind of products have has made records of, okay, are either good products. That's why people are buying them, right? So avoid products that have low sales, like maybe just 200 plus, you understand. But there's a caveat to it though. If you know that for new products, if a product is released recently, like if you look at the release date, like for products that are released say say today, the volume, the sales volume is going to be really below, right? So but if you discover that the release date has been very very long and has very very low, sales volume, please avoid such products, right? So you can go for products that have over 1,500 sales volume. And also the next thing is that, so this let me walk you through the dashboard, right? So here you see offer, release date, sales, conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, then refund rate, right? Then this is love, so feedbacks. So here the first one, offer, is it's the name, where the name of the product is and the creator, right? So you see life mate, fasted, unlimited, lifetime, autoresponder. So basically this is autoresponder. So what an autoresponder does is that when somebody sends you a mail, it just sends an auto response. So it's also good for conversion. So the thing is, and this product has sold over 300 plus. Now conversion rate, so conversion rate is the rate at which buyers take action on that product, either click any of the bodies or buy the product. So basically you should be looking for products that have higher conversion rates. So higher conversion rate means higher purchase rate. So basically that's just what it means. Then the next thing you should be looking at is the average sale, on your stand. So this thing costs around like $25, right? Then that's just it. So if you see any product that you're comfortable with, right? So here, so this product is doing really good, right? So you can just tap on it to just read more. So now when you click on a product, right, it takes you to the what the product the it takes the product, where you get like more information about the product, right? So here, if you see here now, unlimited lifetime responder powered with fastest SMTP, right? Now send unlimited emails to unlimited subscriber with several features. So you can just go through this thing and understand the product. So you can just click on their sales page. So the thing is that what I recommend is that whenever you want to sell any product, now go through the product. It won't take you nothing, because your goal is to make sales, right? So just go through it. So basically this is their landing page.
How would you like to have access to the ultimate email marketing suite that allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with just one click?
Wow.
Now be the first to send your email marketing campaigns using SMTP and enjoy 100% delivery of all transactional and business emails to your audience's inboxes. Never again get blocked or tagged as spam. Run as many promotional campaigns
on this website, and some persons would have probably used this same this video that they are using here. So basically this is the default. So I wouldn't recommend you to use this, right? I'm going to be teaching you how to probably recreate this. So what you are going to do is just go through this, right, so that you can understand how this works, so that you can create your content around this for better conversion. So the next video I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So since this video is centered on how to just select the best product to promote, right? So let's just go to Warriorplus, and also you can also look at their reviews here, right? Let's go down here, what people are saying about the products. seems to be acting up, right? So you can also read their reviews, right? So here, these are, if these people's story. So you can also read their story and also leverage on how how you can use this product, right? So that's that. Then let's go to back to Warriorplus now. So basically, this one, I told you that whenever you want to promote a product, now you should look for products that have good sales volume and better conversion rate, and also the refund rate is very, very important. So now let me tell you something. Now you see that the conversion rate of this is 33%, right? What it means is that now out of 100 persons that click on this thing, right, now 23 of them buys this product. Wow, isn't that amazing? And nobody has refunded this product. That means this is actually a good product, right? So that's just it. So these are kind of products that you should be looking for. Look for product that has very, very minimal or zero refund rates. So basically, okay, just imagine now this product has the conversion rate is just 7%. That means 7 out of 100% that click this thing just buys, right? And over 10% refunds this thing. So I don't think this is a good product, right? This isn't a good product. This isn't a good product. So what I'll be doing, right? When you find a good product, the next thing that you should do is to send a request to the buyer. So here, so this is the thing, right? Now both of us are new, right? Now what I want to do is that if I try something, I just walk you through the process of how it works. So I'll do a follow-up video to show you my progress and also show you my limitations, so that you can also we can learn from the process. So basically that's why I do these videos and I put it out there for you, so that you don't have any excuse as to why you're not making money online, right? So that's why I created a new account, so that you see that okay, so I created a new account. See, I want to verify that account. So when in 3 weeks time, I'm going to be showing you how the progress of the account and what I'm doing to be making so much, right? And you can also replicate on yours. So this is how to send the request. So the thing is that now let me prepare your mind towards this, that if you are new on Warriorplus, you might send requests and you may not get approval. Yeah, you may not get approval. So but the thing is that in a day you should just make it take it upon yourself to send at least five requests to buyers. One of them may be successful, may be lucky that they are approved one. So this is, so you just click on send request. So when you are sending a request, you have to tell the buyer, you have to convince the buyer why they should so okay, you must be approved by this to promote this offer, right? So okay, so let's you click on request approval, right? So now you have to tell them why they should pick you. So you can just send them something like this: hello, I am a seasoned digital marketer with amazing track records on affiliate marketing. Okay, then I'm a seasoned digital marketer with amazing track record on on digital marketing. I will be glad to send tons of traffic that will convert for this product. So here, just send it something simple like this. So you can just craft yours, right? So hello, I'm a seasoned digital marketer with amazing track record. So with amazing success on affiliate marketing, right? I will be glad to send tons of traffic that will convert on this product. So when you do that, you click on send request, right? And you just wait for their approval. So okay, you see success, your request has been sent to the seller. You'll be notified via email when the seller accepts it, so or rejects your request. So what you do is that when you send something like this, so it should be simple, understand. Then you just wait for your email. So when you get approval, you see you go to your email. So here, so my Gmail. So let's just wait for approval. So basically guys, so that's just how to do this. Now when they send you, so here, this is still from Warriorplus, right? Now let's just wait until we get approval. So the thing is that approval basically takes it might last some maybe a day, others 2 days, but whatever the case be, the case, right, is your goal is that you get approved. When you get approval, then I'll show you how to start promoting your products and start making commission per product. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any difficulties selecting products, you can just drop it on the comment section. And if you have other strategies that or other criteria that you think that I've not highlighted when selecting good product, please I would like you to share, so that we as a community can leverage on your information that you shared to better improve one another. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you progress online. So so I think you just keep looking at other products, right? So it's remarketing, real estate marketing unleashed. So this really sounds like an amazing product. So the thing is that now I should just tell you guys just do your diligence research, right? Whenever you go through any product, just take a look at it, just read. If you see a very good product and you read it, if it's convincing enough, if that it's going to convince other people. So those are kind of products that you look out for, guys. So thanks for watching. It's your man Riches again, and I'm really happy to walk you through this journey of becoming financially free. And if you not liked or subscribe, if this video makes sense to you, I would like you to give it a thumbs up, and if it does, please comment how I can really improve this video so that I can better serve you and I help you make more money online. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I make awesome videos like on how to make money, you'll be the first to benefit, take action, and be the first to make money. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.